Hi friends, a warm welcome to all of you. So Valentine Day is coming up soon. What are your plans? You must have planned a lot of things, I'm sure. Many goodies for your Valentine. Here is one more recipe that you can add to your menu. I'm going to make simple easy peasy cashew nut cookies. They don't require too many ingredients and can be made very fast. So make these and enjoy high tea with your Valentine. So let's get started to make the cookies. To make the cashew cookies, we have taken 1 cup of cashew nuts, half cup of sugar, powdered sugar, half cup of all-purpose flour or maida, quarter cup of melted butter or clarified butter, which is desi ghee, handful of pistachios, half teaspoon baking powder, half teaspoon cardamom powder, and 2 to 3 tablespoons of milk as needed. Now first, here's an important tip: when you are using nuts to garnish the cookies, you soak them so that they retain the color after baking. Now first we are going to grind the cashew nuts. Grind them into a fine powder. Now let's proceed. In a large mixing bowl, take the melted butter and powdered sugar. Here I am using clarified butter, which is desi ghee. Beat them together until they are nice and creamy. In all the cardamom flavored cookies, I always use desi ghee, which enhances the flavors. Beat them well with a hand blender. Gather all the contents with a spatula and beat them again. Now this is done. We will stir in the remaining ingredients. Add the cashew nut powder, baking powder, and the cardamom powder. With the help of spatula, combine everything together. It's a very easy recipe of cookies. All you have to do is just combine the ingredients and make the cookies. Now stir in the flour, all-purpose flour. If you wish to make them healthier, you could use whole wheat flour or half and half also. Half wheat flour, half maida. Stir them nicely using this spatula, breaking the lumps. Now with the help of milk, we are going to bind the dough. This job is easily done with the help of the spatula itself. You don't need to beat with electric beater. Add 1 tablespoon at a time and combine everything. You'll see the texture is changing and becoming softer and moist. I've used about 2.5 tablespoons of milk here. Now it looks soft and nice. With a clean hand, now you gather the dough and knead it lightly until it is smooth and easy to roll out. Here the dough is ready. Rest it for a while. Meanwhile, you can do the pistachio slicing. You can see how easily the soaked pistachios can be peeled and sliced. And look at the lovely, beautiful green color. This way, when you are baking, the color is retained. the dry pistachios become black. Now let us start making the cookies. Take out a small portion of the dough and roll it out. Using a cookie cutter, cut out any desired shape. Since it's Valentine season, I'm using a heart-shaped cookie cutter. Remove the extras from the sides and place the cookies in a baking tray lined with parchment paper or a silicone baking mat. The same way we are going to make the remaining cookies. They look very cute, isn't it? The little hearts. Now we are going to garnish them with pistachios. Place some slices on top and press them lightly with the finger. Garnish all the cookies in this way. Now all the cookies are ready to go into the oven. Meanwhile, you preheat the oven while you are at this job. Bake them at 180 degrees C for 8 to 10 minutes. The cookies are ready. Mine took exactly 9 minutes. Now cool them well before you store them in a container. Tasting time. Let's check out the cookies, how they are. Nice and crispy cookies, you can hear that? Delicious. Very lovely texture they have. So friends, make and enjoy these cookies. Aren't they apt for the Valentine season? So, simple cashew nut cookies, heart-shaped ones for the Valentine Day. The same cookies can also be made with walnuts, almonds, any other nuts also. So, I hope you liked it and you are going to give it a try. Thank you for watching the video, friends. Share the feedback when you make them. Have you subscribed to the channel? If not, please do so and click on the bell icon so that notification is sent to you whenever I post a new video. Some more videos here. In case you have not watched them, you can see them now. Have a nice day. See you soon with a new recipe.